Hello lads, Rad Performance here, and today is a very special day because you clicked on this video because that means your project car is getting close to being finished. That is why you're looking up this buffing video. We're going to talk a little bit more in the specifics as we get into this video, but before we start, I just wanted to say make sure you guys subscribe to the channel because once again we are so close to 1,000. I am so appreciative of each and every 889 of you guys. Let's keep this 1,000 train going, and make sure to like the video and comment what you guys think, what products you think we should try out next. Obviously, the car looks pretty freaking good. This was the last step that we really did. I have yet to apply wax to this because obviously after a fresh paint, you need to make sure you wait 6 months before doing any wax or ceramic coating. So this is really it. Obviously, you have the rough stuff that we did. There's videos on that. Please go look at the channel. So you can go check out the channel for more videos on the rotary. But this right here, this gear driven, was how we got this car to that next level. When you're doing the rotary, it is going to still be a little bit crude, a little bit have some haze in the paint. This really refines it and brings it up to the next level, which is exactly what you guys are going to want when you're chasing this show car finish. And overall, I mean, the results definitely speak for themselves. Look at that. Here at Rad Performance, we are your gurus on how to do this yourself on a budget, wherever you can do it, and with whatever resources you have at your fingertips. So we always want to be transparent with you guys in how we do this on the low, how we do this for real, how we do this just get into it. No fancy tools, nothing too crazy, just normal guys just like you, because if we can do it, you can do it too. Once again, guys, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're so close to 1,000. Let's keep this train going. I am so appreciative of each and every 889 of you guys. Let's go.
Hercules from Harbor Freight. It's a force directional DA. So this is not free spinning. So this is a directional. It's much more aggressive. The same as the Rupes, which is $400 to $500. This is $120. I will recommend this because this is awesome. It has the power and it doesn't hang up. It will spin, and it also oscillates. So if you see it, it oscillates and spins, but it doesn't, you can't hold it. So it will constantly turn and it buffs it right out. I also reused their compounding pad for Harbor Freight. It's their Grant line. Pretty good. I gotta say, I used the Grios, I used a few others, Chemical Guys, the Heloc, I think it's called the Hex Logic, I'm sorry. This pad though, it's 10 bucks I think from them. They have coupons. From Grants, I really can't argue with it. It's very coarse and it took all the sanding scratches right out in one pass. This time though, we used the Pro Speed compound. I will follow it up with the Ultra Pro finishing polish, which honestly, looking at it, it doesn't even need it. It's very effective and very good. Took all the sanding scratches right out.
That is beautiful. So yeah, just to recap, we did the wet sand. We just showed you guys wet sand up to 3,000, denim pad. And then now with this nice dense foam pad, really finishing it up real nice. And then we're on to the final steps.
And we'll do a review of this. We just needed to get this done. So this is the first time we took it out of the box and used it, but I gotta say I'm really impressed with it. I had it up to 5. I think it just goes to 6. So 4 or 5 is really it. 3 was kind of slow, but it does work. I just had it at 5 to get the buff out of it, and it seemed to work excellent.
Alrighty guys, and there you have it. So if you'll notice guys, we had to take this up. We did 2,000. We didn't have 25, then we went to 3,000, then we went to 5,000. We went easy on the earlier grits and then went more meticulous at the higher grits. And then we were using the denim pad, which is technically a 2,000 grit little buffing pad, using it with the Pro Speed compound from McGuire's. So that way we can get this to blend from orange peel to more of this glass-like finish.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I'm
Couple ones behind you.
Okay. This, oh no, it came right out.
That's fine.
Look at it.
Yeah, it's mint.
Yeah. So it wasn't a lot of effort, and it came out. So I just got to be more.
Is the biggest thing is getting that to blend to the rest of the car, because that was originally dull.
Move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.